Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the Weather Forecast Center. Here to bring you the 5 o'clock advisory from the National Hurricane Center. Let me get to the correct page here. Okay, so Francine is quickly becoming better organized, and storm surge and hurricane warnings are now issued for parts of the Louisiana coast. So as of the 5 o'clock advisory, 4 o'clock Central Time, the storm is about 150 miles south southeast of mouth of the Rio Grande, or 435 miles south southwest of Cameron, Louisiana, moving to the north northwest at 7 miles an hour. Its maximum sustained winds has increased to 65 miles an hour, and minimum central pressure has dropped to 996 millibars. So I'm going to run down all the watches and warnings that are currently in effect. A storm surge warning is in effect for High Island, Texas to the mouth of the Mississippi River, Louisiana, that includes Vermilion Bay. A hurricane warning is in effect for the Louisiana coast from Sabine Pass eastward to Morgan City. A storm surge watch is in effect for the mouth of the Mississippi River, Louisiana, to the Mississippi Alabama border. That includes Lake Maurepas and Lake Pontchartrain. A hurricane watch is in effect for the Louisiana coast from Morgan City eastward to Grand Isle. A tropical storm warning is in effect for Morgan City to Grand Isle, also from High Island to Sabine Pass. A tropical storm watch is in effect for Barra, del Tordo to the mouth of the Rio Grande, the mouth of the Rio Grande to High Island, Texas, east of Grand Isle, Louisiana to mouth of the Pearl River, that includes downtown New Orleans. That includes Lake Pontchartrain and Lake Maurepas. So those are the warnings and watches that are in effect. Hurricane warning means that hurricane conditions expected within 36 hours. A hurricane watch means that hurricane conditions are possible within 48 hours. A tropical storm warning means that tropical storm conditions are expected within 36 hours. A tropical storm watch means that tropical storm conditions are possible within 48 hours. So, as regards to rainfall, Francine is expected to bring storm total rainfall of 4 to 8 inches with local amounts to 1 foot from the coast of northeast Mexico northward over the far lower and far upper Texas coast, across southern Louisiana and southern Mississippi into Thursday morning. This rainfall could lead to risk of considerable flash and urban flooding. Storm surge from Cameron, Louisiana to Port Fourchon, Louisiana, 5 to 10 feet. Vermilion Bay, 5 to 10 feet. Port Fourchon, Louisiana to mouth of the Mississippi River, Louisiana, 4 to 7 feet. High Island, Texas to Cameron, Louisiana, 3 to 5 feet. Mouth of the Mississippi River, Louisiana to Mississippi Alabama border, 2 to 4 feet. Lake Pontchartrain and Lake Maurepas, 2 to 4 feet. Mouth of the Rio Grande, Texas to High Island, Texas, 1 to 3 feet. Galveston Bay, 1 to 3 feet. and these and the deepest water will occur along the immediate coast near and to the east of the landfall location, where surge will be accompanied by large and dangerous waves. In addition, minor coastal flooding is possible along the coast of Mexico in areas of onshore winds. So that is the latest bulletin from the National Hurricane Center for Tropical Storm Francine. Um, as I have to go to bed early tonight, I will not be posting anything until I get up in the morning, and those will be short. So stay tuned for updated information as they become available from me to use to everyone out there. Um, with that being said, I wish everyone a good Monday night. For those that are in Louisiana, you need to finish your preparations and they need to be completed no later than early Tuesday afternoon. For those of you that live in Cameron Parish, this is Cameron Parish only, especially along the immediate coast of that parish, you're under a mandatory evacuation order. Listen to your local officials. Um, and seek higher ground. More than likely, it'd be a few, a few miles inland, but apparently they are looking at a big problem down there in Cameron Parish, Louisiana. So that so that is a mandatory evacuation order for Cameron Parish in far southwestern Louisiana. I hope everyone has a good night and keep looking for my updates as I receive them. Good night, and I will talk to you again soon.